What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Greg, coming at y'all another banger, man. One of the best videos you're gonna see all 2020, man. Your boy's in Arlington, Texas. As you can see, I got the old Texas Ranger building over there, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm actually at this event in Arlington. Me and the guys dropped our car off yesterday. I'm waiting on Maj. I had to get up early so I can move my car over so Maj can park his next to us. But yeah, man, I'm about to go out here and get this footage for y'all because I know they're gonna be recording. I mean, they're gonna be playing all this music in there, and I don't want to put all this music behind there. So I came here early to get y'all this footage. So I'm about to go in this building. Make sure once I get in this building, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. All right, man, this Lambo's so hard, y'all.
They'll probably see it from this angle.
Super duty. Yeah, 450.
What's up, man?
How y'all doing,
How
man?
you doing?
Good, man. I actually seen that truck yesterday. I love that truck, man.
It's a big truck, isn't it?
Yes, sir, it is.
That's
Yeah.
a whole lot of truck.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
My boy Margie just pulled up.
I'm gonna wait right here. I'm gonna head walk you over.
Yeah, I gotta scoot my car. I'm about to scoot my car. Yeah, I gotta scoot my car. There's some fire in here, man. There's some fire in here. But I'm about to give y'all every last one of these cars, man. So here we go. Look at this Bugatti right here, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. $1 million car right there, man. No cap. Man, this Ferrari crazy, man. Man, stop playing, bro. Man, this Lamborghini hard. I like the color on it. This Vet. Bro, man. Y'all, these real life goals over here, man. For real. You see, y'all me in the game, man. I don't know who car this is right here. Boy, that mug is hard. That mug right there hard, brother. 133. That mug right there hard. I don't know who car that is, but that thing is definitely killing something, you understand me? Come on, man, we got the McLaren, man. Stop playing. And this GTR is so hard, bro. This thing right here is so hard, bro. Look at the wrap on that thing, man. Come on, man. A Lamborghini. Well, I will have a Lamborghini one day, man. I'm not gonna stop grinding until I get it. You know what I'm saying? Look at this thing right here, man. Man, come on, bro. Man, these goals, bro. And one thing about me, if I say I'm gonna get something, I'm gonna get it, man. I'm not gonna stop grinding, man, until I get it, man. No cap. This McLaren, bro. Hard. This Porsche. Another McLaren, bro. It's just something about that purple that hit different, you know what I'm saying? That purple hit different, man. Got a couple Vipers over here, man. I love these cars, man. Got a couple Dodge Vipers over here. Yes, sir. Man, this Lamborghini might be the hardest one in here. Fire. I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm not stopping till I get one. Another McLaren. Bro, there's some heat in here, man. Like I say, it's $1 million cars in here. We on our way though, man. Just keep grinding. Gotta keep grinding, y'all. We're gonna get there. Look at this Audi, man. Stop playing. Make sure y'all go add him on Instagram, bro. Another Lambo. Another McLaren, man. Bro, if this is not motivation, this is pure motivation, man. Pure motivation. What is this right here? I don't know what that is. That thing is fire. Come on, man. Big boy G-Wagon. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing, bro. Look at the color on that thing, man. Look at the color on that thing. Stop playing. Man, this thing is hard, bro. No cap, bro. It might be the hardest thing in here, man. Look at the color on this thing, y'all. Oh, man, it might be the hardest thing in here, bro, to me, bro.
2020?
Nah, for real, bro.
Yeah, that thing's bad.
Man, that thing is nice, brother.
What? Yeah. Your jacket? Yeah. I know I brought later.
You know, you can never go wrong with the race. Good morning, how you doing, boss?
Doing wonderful. How about you, man?
I can't complain.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Come on, man. The race. Then you got the Lambo right next to it, bro. Man, it's goals, man. It's goals, man. We're gonna get there one day. And I mean everything I say. I ain't stopping. Just don't stop, man. We're gonna grind, man. We're gonna grind, man. Man, come on, bro. That's what you pull up with when you got your old lady with you, you know what I'm saying? That's big boy stuff right there, man. Come on, the Rolls Royce. I thought them spin, but they don't, man. Yes, sir. This is pure motivation, man. Got my boy Miles back there, man, getting some footage, man. Like I say, there's $1 million cars in here. They about to get ready to start playing this music. And I'm about to get ready to knock this video out. You know what I'm saying? But, man, they got some crazy stuff in here, bro. They got some crazy stuff in here. Check this out. Check this out, man. Come on, man. This rap is crazy. So I just pulled up back to the event, man. I got my brother with me, man. What's your channel, my guy?
Life with Q, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, QUE.
There we go, man. I'm gonna show y'all his car real quick, too. Yeah. Right here, man. Y'all have seen it on my channel before. We got that 392, man. Hey, man, y'all go subscribe right here, man. Right there. I got that thing over there, bro. Y'all already know, man.
What's up, you guys, man? I'm back with another video.
Him and Life 44. Man, get this man to 100,000 subscribers, bro.
Car show.
He almost there. Get this man to 100,000 subscribers. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. About to get ready to walk back in the event. I know they got the music playing, but I'm gonna get y'all some more footage as soon as I get in there. Man, I just want to talk to y'all real quick while I'm walking through this building, man. And y'all know we VIP. Me and bro got them VIP passes. Yes, sir. But man, I just want to tell y'all, I appreciate each and last one of y'all, man. Continue to rock with me. Continue to grow with me, man. I'm gonna bring y'all dope footage. You know what I'm saying? Dope content. And man, we're gonna grow together. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, everything y'all see on my channel is pure motivation. If I can do it, anybody can do it. You just gotta work hard, and we'll go from there. But I'm about to get here walking this building behind me. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I get in there, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, man.
Place car 130.
Hey, I got you, brother. I got you.
Yeah, his car's right over here. There's 4. He actually owns a rap company. There's 4 that he brought in. You own it. What's the name of your company?
Let him alone. Leave him alone. Let him have
That's awesome. So you're right over
Let him
here.
have it, Sean.
Take a look at it before we leave.
They're gonna be like, okay.
They said my brother on a rap company, man.
Let him have it, Sean.
So if you guys, any of you go to park up front, you'll probably recognize this car because it is his number, but it's also the car number. It's car 144. So it's that purple and white. Here it comes. So Wheels, third place.
Because he goes to surprise us with it. So yeah.
Hey, I'm bringing out this all week.
We got 2 out here.
I got 2.
We got 2 out here. Oh yeah, both of them there.
When I heard 1 thing, I get nervous.
Our first place wheel trophy. Congratulations, man. Tell them what it is.
Well, the rims are actually powder coated. They're red. They're rotoform, and that's pretty much it. That's the red Camaro right there. Same guy wrapped all of the cars. Shout out to Mo Power Car Club. We all together.
Done got it. I ain't get it. Done got it. They threw me off with the rap company. I was like, oh,
We see your
Better go, Mo Power. Told you that was a good spot.
something like that, I'll rent it out for like $1,200 a day and make your money back. That's what I'm about to get into. Buying foreign cars and rent them out for $1,000 a day. I think. Stop playing, man. That's it.
Espresso. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, buddy.
So I finally made it back to the crib, man. Today was an excellent day, man. I showed y'all over $50 million worth of exotic cars, man. And 2 of my bros won some trophies, man. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video like that. Continue to stay focused. Continue to be blessed. Continue to support. Continue to just watch my videos, subscribe to my videos, share my videos, man. 2020, man, let's end it with a bang, man. Y'all be blessed and always strive for greatness. I'm out.